drastically. Many people, over 13 crore people are going to be affected in this country. Earlier, a sarpanch or the gram panchayat would decide what work was to be done in the area. But now, Delhi will decide what work has to be done. Earlier, it was centrally funded, totally 100%. Now, they have put this entire pressure on the state, and the center is going to be funding only 60%, putting the rest of the pressure on the state at 40%. So we want to understand from this government that how long do they want to continue to destroy the poor people of this country. The poor people are affected every day. At least they had Manrega. Even during the COVID period, it was the Manrega that saved so many lives, that brought food to the table. But it is very sad that this government has decided to also rename Manrega into VB G Ramji Bill. Now, every time I do not understand why this government wants to rename. Every time they rename, every time they have to waste money at the state level, at the central level. The same person's photo has to be put up again and again with the new name. Why do they have this, what should I say, this enthusiasm to always change names? Why are they so insecure? Why can't they follow the old names that are there? And what have they done? Earlier, it was Godse who assassinated Mahatma Gandhi. This time, it is this BJP government which carries the DNA that is assassinating the very essence of the life of the Mahatma in this country. In regard to the National Herald, the truth has prevailed, Satyamev Jayate. Even after 50 hours of consecutive grilling and putting false accusations in this particular case, the Congress party, along with our senior leadership, is thankful to the legal system that they have given us rightful justice to this entire case. And in the coming days, we also want to make the people of this country understand that all central agencies were used against the Indian National Congress only to satisfy the personal vendetta of some people. And we are thankful to all the people who have stood by us in this entire struggle and entire time and stood strong with us shoulder to shoulder. Satyamev Jayate.
Okay, ma'am, would you like to respond on the RSS Chief Mohammed Bakr Islamic Center in Babri Masjid, Bengal?
Absolutely not. You can ask me anything else on the other two issues. Okay.